What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying to put a dbrand skin on my iPhone Air. I know that it is very durable, but again, it's not exempt from scratches and scrapes and stuff like that. And sometimes I just want to rock it without a case. This is the closest thing that I can get to. This is not sponsored. I went on dbrand website and I actually purchased the skin for myself because I wanted to see, if it will protect it. Now, hopefully this skin is thin enough to actually still fit my cases. If so, that'd be absolutely dope, bro. The packaging was kind of trash, and I know dbrand probably had nothing to do with that. That was probably the mail carrier, because it did look like it got lost in the mail for a little while. But anyway, they found it, it arrived, and this is what I got. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be very hard to put on with all those dents and stuff, but there's only really one way to find out. But the only thing I am really worried about is this hard dent right here. It's kind of messed up to say that I paid, I purchased this, so it's not like they gave it to me for free. So what came in the box are the packaging. Oh, a brand is branded. The cloth, microfiber cloth, branded and dbrand. That's pretty dope. So anyway, we're gonna give this a little wipe down. Nothing. Oh, it does go across this part right here as well, so I will be losing that, but it will be protected from scratches and scrapes. So I wouldn't start at the end, just logically thinking about it. I would always start at the top near the camera angle, so if we got those secure, everything else should fall into place. I don't know, we're just gonna wing it. All right, here we go. I got the matte black version, and those creases are in my unit. That's messed up. Anyway, let's see. So we're gonna secure this. So we got the camera portion that kind of fell into place. We got the microphone and the flashlight lined up, so I want to go ahead and seal that. How is it going to... I got so many questions, yo. Alright, let me be quiet. I gotta concentrate. I feel like this is gonna be an epic fail. So that's too long, so we're gonna pull that up. We're gonna go with the curves. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. I may have gotten it perfect. So we're going to crease this. Alright, that's a hard crease. No going back. Alright, I like that. I like that. If this goes smoothly, this will definitely be a W. Okay, we got the back portion on, so we don't have to worry about scratches on the actual body of the iPhone. That was pretty smooth. Now these corners are what I'm worried about. How is this gonna conform? But let's see, let's proceed. Let's not get antsy yet. It feel like, I don't know. I don't know. I got the apple perfect though. That is perfect. I may mess up around this little area right here, because how in the world? Yo, I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm getting nervous because there's no way to make this conform, and I'm sure that I have to lay this down. Okay, it's not too bad. I kind of messed up in this area right here. There should be a cut right here, man. Otherwise it's gonna always have a gap right there. dbrand, there is no way, bro. No way. No way this is how this is supposed to look. Okay, so I think what'll help me in this situation, since I pretty much got it like 90% down, is to put a case, and maybe the case will help it conform. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see if I'm correct. Boom, boom. And I'm thinking, like I said, the case should help it conform correctly the way it's supposed to. I don't like this area up here. Maybe if I watched the video, or would have watched the video, it would have gave me a few more pointers. But I think having that case on kind of helped it lay down in the areas that it was supposed to lay down in. Okay, so this is how that camera lens is gonna look with the dbrand skin on. I don't love this. I don't love this. This looks like some great value, like a tablecloth, and people have been sitting at it for a while right here in this little area right here. I can see dbrand skins working for like MacBooks and stuff because it's a flat surface, but phones with the curves, I think I was more of a trial and error, more of a trial than error, should I say. The areas around the plateau are where it won't lay flush, and again, it's nothing more that I can do, you know, to get this to lay down. But this area right here, that's just how it is. There should have been like a little cutout right there so that I can flatten that out, but that's pretty much it. This probably is user area right here, but everything else is lined up perfectly. Anyway, this is my first attempt at a dbrand skin. Let me know what you guys think. Even though it's not perfect, I'm gonna leave it like this and see how long it takes to kind of come off of here, especially if I have it on wrong. Again, I'm gonna watch the instructions after this video, and then I'll let you know in a later video if I messed up or not. Anyway, it's your boy Tate. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, boo.